Hello everyone, welcome to TecHelper YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Defender Antivirus Error unexpected error. We ran into a problem. Please try again. Before going to video, take a moment and subscribe our channel and click that bell icon so you don't miss another video like this. To fix the problem, first open Run window by clicking Windows+R and type REGEDIT and hit enter. If it asks for confirmation, choose yes. Now find DisableAntiSpyware KEY BY following hierarchy: H key, local machines, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Now double-click or right-click and choose Modify. Change value data 1 to 0. Finally click OK. Now open Defender and click Restart Now button. I hope this video helpful. Do you guys have any doubts? Feel free to ask us in the comment section below.